Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Alfred and I love about video games, but I suck at video games.
And I'm Kyle, and I suck at video games.
Today we're playing Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Yay!
Hey!
Yay!
We are so enthusiastic at the moment.
Yay! But with a twist, like most of our videos. Smash Bros is a game that utilises every single button on the controller. I don't think there's a single button that doesn't do something. So what if we remove half of them? Namely, the joysticks. What if we played without joysticks? So, going to be random characters.
Right, okay.
Right. Okay.
Out of all the characters, I had to do this. Wow. What a video this is. You're gonna die.
Ah, haha. Oh, it just froze you and I can't even get to you. Wait, I can move forward. If I punch, it moves me forward slightly. No, it's got reversed all the way back. All the progress. I'm coming to get ya. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya.
No!
I finally got there. Oh no.
Oh, well done.
Wait, how do I turn around?
Oh, how am I supposed to get you? This is outrageous. Come on, turn around.
I can move. But you couldn't.
I couldn't move.
Right, let's try this again. Whoa, what was that? I just spam all the buttons backwards. I look like I moved forward. I moved forward. Oh, how do I do that? How do I do that? I'm definitely moving forward, but I don't know how. I went backwards! That's not what I want. You're slowly making your way over.
Yeah.
You're moving faster than me. I can't even figure out how I go forward. It just happens sometimes. Oh, but how did you even get here?
I don't know. I just spammed a bunch of buttons.
I just killed the bird again. Ah, haha!
We finally.
We're both facing the wrong way.
Facing the wrong way.
Aye!
Hey!
Aye!
Oh, wait. I figured out how to space the other way. And I just used the boomerang.
Oh no!
No!
No, I'm facing the wrong way.
Oh.
Oh god! Yes!
Oh my.
Oh no! It's just gonna shrink the screen! No!
What?
Yes!
You won! Oh, that's outrageous, that.
I must have moved slightly forward.
Yeah, for God's sake. Come on!
Oh yes, I can move forward!
No!
Oh
No!
yeah!
No, get me off, though. How can you?
I don't know. The first move I tried, basically. Let me up!
This is so good. I think you've won this one, though. Look how much damage I've got. Ah, yes. Just go to complete opposite sides of the map and don't go to the last one. No!
How do we get out of this?
Sometime later.
No!
Oh yes, that's how we
Yes.
get out of it. What? I can't go backwards. Oh no. Oh no!
Yes!
But it's fine because I got that extra life.
No!
I'll get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. There's a bomb right behind me. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Get up!
No!
Oh yes!
You hit me.
Yes!
I'm gonna get you.
I know!
I'm gonna get you.
Oh no, 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 no.
You just have to stay there.
Oh,
There we go.
I'm trying jumping, man.
One time we'll both be able to move.
Yeah, there'll be one character who'll be able to move. Oh, I know a character.
What?
Sonic. I don't know.
Oh, you might be. I don't know.
Maybe.
Okay, I can't.
Yes!
No, I've just died instantly.
Yes! Go the other.
That's unfair.
Yes!
Died
Yes.
instantly.
That was quick.
Free win.
Huh?
Oh. Wait, wow.
Wait! I figured it out.
Well,
The only button that works if I just
by
charge
the
it up.
time you get to me.
Oh, for God's sake, it's already over.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm nearly there. Just wait,
The
timer.
whole time.
Get there before he get. Oh,
Oh, that would have been so much easier way of moving back.
that's how I tried to do it, but then it didn't work. Oh, bomb. Oh, I
Oh,
died.
you just jumped off. Just jumped off.
I think I was facing the wrong way, that's why.
We fit train up here some load poses that
Oh, wait. Stretch those shoulders.
Yes! 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 Get off the
I'm actually
edge!
about to fall off.
Get off the edge! Get out of here!
What are these poses is...
Whoa! Whoa!
Stretch those shoulders, he says, as you die.
How do I do that? Oh! Oh! I'm moving! I'm moving! I'm gonna get you!
No, I've been here!
I'm up here now. I don't want to be up here.
Oh, that makes it better for me.
I wanted to get that smash thing.
I've hit you so many times. Oh no!
How did you do that?
I don't know. Die!
Where was that the whole game?
I don't know.
Jumped up and flew.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Oh Christ! Stop it!
Please get off the edge.
No!
Please.
No! 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 Keep jumping! Keep jumping! You small thing. Don't clap! Why are you clapping? Oh.
What?
Oh,
Oh yeah, stay down there. Stay down there. Stay down there. Oh, bye. Oh my god, it took you so long to move 1 inch. I'll get you. I'm coming.
I'm gonna. How do I do that? Yes! Yeah, I know how to move!
Oh god! Wow! Wow!
Oh, I got all that way.
Oh.
I got all that way, get flung back by the box, and then that shoots at me.
What a combo. Oh my god, yes.
I knew you could do something like that. Oh, I know a character.
What?
Sonic. I don't know.
Oh, you might be, I don't know.
Maybe. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you. Oh, sweet.
I've got a homing missile.
Huh?
What? You won!
What happened there? I thought I
didn't
died.
know. It made the sound.
It made a sound. I was like, oh, it's over.
Oh no.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
that was probably the worst video we've ever made. I thought there'd be a lot more movement options than that. Than just spamming punch and hoping your character moves forward 1 step when it punches.
Yeah, he's spamming it as well. Oh,
But yeah,
yeah.
if you want to try out this challenge for yourself, go ahead. It's not very fun.
No, it was. There was some bits that were fun, like
Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever it is that you want to do in the section below.
99.04% of you are not subscribed, apparently. And that's when I looked at it this morning. So subscribe. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.